Zamaka here. It's no longer news that CapCut is no longer free. Yes, the one that got to me is the fact that, all those tools that we really loved, those tools that we enjoyed, even the basic ones, they just made everything, they added it to the paid plan. And that's like $10 monthly, and in Naira, that should be like 15,000 Naira monthly. But I know it's their business and they need to make money from it. So I found an alternative, a way that you can add captions to your video absolutely free. A totally different app, but you would love it. So let's get started.
The app we're going to use is called VN Video Editor. You can download it from your Google Play Store or your App Store. Click on it and it will bring you here. You click on this plus sign and click on new project to add a project. Then you can select the video that you want to edit. So this list contains both my video and my photos. So I'll tap on video to select only my videos. I'll click on the video that I want to add captions. Click on the arrow and it brings me to this page. So to add your caption, all you have to do is just scroll through these icons below and click on auto caption, and it brings you here. Here you're going to see the language and conversion mode. So you can either use tiny, base or cloud based. For tiny, it is processed locally. It is faster but less precise. For base, it is also processed locally. It is slower but more precise. I always use base. And then we have the cloud base. It says it's faster and more precise. Your audio will be uploaded to the cloud for conversion and then deleted. The cloud base usually show an error, so I'm just going to stick with base. And then I'll click on convert. It will take a few seconds to a few minutes to convert. And my caption is ready, so I'll click on done. This is how my caption is going to appear, but we're going to edit it. And to do that, just tap on the caption and you can click on batch edit right here so that you can go through each caption to be sure that all the words are correct. You can see here it says Capcom and not CapCut. It's important that you go through it just to make sure that there is no misspelled word or anything. It's AI. So once you've cross-checked and you're sure that there is no mistake, you just click on done, and then we can add animations and every other thing. So to do that, just tap on it again and then tap on subtitle animation, click on it. Here are the different animations that you can try. You can just try them out to see which one you would like to add to your video.
It's no longer news that CapCut is no longer.
Alright, so once you have added the subtitle to your video, next we can work on the font. So I'll tap on font, and here are different fonts that you can try out or add to your video. Next we have the size, so you can either choose the title, the subtitle or the content. And you can also increase the font size by dragging this and reducing it. Here you can change your font color, add border, shadow, background and all that good stuff. So I can add a background, maybe a white background. Yes, whichever one you want. For this is where you find the style and the position. So for this is letter spacing and all of that. And once you're done, just click on the check sign. And yeah, one more thing, let me click on batch edit to just show you something else. Okay, so you can see that this is 2 lines. If you don't want too much text on screen at the same time, here's what you're going to do. You can split it. Okay, so just go to where you want to split let me leave it here, and then I'll click on split. So you can see that this no longer free is going to be on a different line. So if you want to do it for the entire text, you just go to where you want to split and split them. Click on split again, so you can see that it's just going to be one line that is going to be on screen. And you can also merge them. So if I want to merge this one with the one above, I'll click on this merge sign, and with the top, the one with the arrow going up, I'll click on it. It just means that you're merging the one below with the one above. And if I want to also merge this with the one below, I'll just tap on this, and that just means that I have merged them together. Alright, so if that's what you want, that is how you can merge and split text. Totally depends on what you want. So you can see that it's just going to be one-liners that will show on screen. You can also tap on the text and also add motion aside from the animation. I'm not going to add any of this, but if that's what you want, you can add it. So for the motions, we have in, out, and the loop animation. Yeah, this is how to add your automatic caption to your video, totally free. And when you're done, you just click on this icon to either save it on cloud, that's like save it in the app, if you're not done yet, and come back to it later. But if you want to download it to your phone gallery, just tap on this icon right here, and it will bring out this option for you to choose the frame rate and the size, and you can say 2K7 2K7 or 4K by 50 or 60 frames per second, or you just leave it at 180 by 30 frames per second. So I'm going to leave it as it is, which is 180 by 30 frames per second. So I'll click on export, and yeah, it will just take a few seconds to a few minutes to download it to your gallery. And while it's downloading, you're not allowed to lock your screen or leave the app, so you can just keep it and let it download. And once it's done, you will find your video with your caption in your phone gallery. Let me know if you found this video helpful, and watch out for more videos like this. Bye.